This is Bill and Deb North of the Florida Weekend Warriors. And this weekend's adventure, we're heading to Lake Manatee State Park. It's up in Manatee County. It's right across the street from the racetrack that Cleetus McFarland is redoing. If you have a chance, check out his YouTube channel. He's doing videos with him and his dad redoing the whole park.
Some of the things that we wanted to show you before we got on the road, the kids got us for Christmas. They made this sign, live the life that you've imagined.
It's
and
cool.
They did the Florida Weekend Warriors tire cover. We love them.
We're official now. We'll see you at the park. See ya.
See ya. So this is the swimming area. I'm not really sure I would swim here, but it's a swimming area.
Found an alligator. That is a big one. Do you know the way to the Three Keys Brewery? Heavily wooded. A couple empty sites this weekend. It's New Year's Eve. This trail goes down to the boat ramp. Oh, cool. Pretty nice. Here's our site, site number 3. It's a pretty big site. A little bit of sandy though. It's semi-private. Got a fire ring, picnic table. There's a couple posts in the back to like put a clothesline over. We're gonna put a hammock up here later. Even comes with a sprinkler. Not sure what the sprinkler's for. Maybe forest fires, I don't know. But it's only got 30 amp power here. So anyways, it's a pretty nice site. There's a trail at the back of our campsite that goes to this paved path that goes to the bathhouse. Each camping loop has a pretty nice bathhouse right in the middle of the loop. We're glamping. Lake Manatee. We got the kayak. Uh-oh. Too low?
It's moving.
What?
It's moving.
It's moving.
Be on the ground. Oh, I'm gonna have to sit this way. There's the sun.
What?
I have to sit this way.
Can you make it?
Yeah. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, I'm liking this.
I hope you have panties on, Debbie. If not, you're giving Billy a short. No wonder why he's zooming in. He's like, woo. Homecoming, a dream. We are smoking a prime rib. It's January 2nd. How's it looking? Ooh, it's looking good. Oh, man. Ooh, we'll check it back a little later. Right at 225. Alright. You talk about the game, Keith. You said the game was good. Actually, the game was good today. You had a couple turnovers, but Iowa State has played a really good game. Yeah. We're roughing it. We're checking it out. What's the temp?
120.
120, we're almost there. God, it smells good. The prime rib was amazing. I was afraid it was going to be too smoky, but it was just right. Here's the boat ramp. You can launch a really big boat here. Look out, Deb. Go down. I see boats out there with big engines on them. I guess they just use the trolling motor. Ooh. Guess if you really have to go to the bathroom, you could use that thing. According to this sign, the lake is stocked with fish. I guess the audio recording doesn't work. Oh well. Lots of people are fishing.
So this is the swimming area. I'm not really sure I would swim here, but it's a swimming area. There's canoes to rent, kayaks to rent. Not sure they're doing it right now due to COVID, but we'll investigate that.
The alligators only bite once.
That is true. Beautiful lake though.
No, it's really pretty.
Behind us is a very big picnic area, grills, a pavilion, covered pavilion. Very, very nice.
Here's the dump station. Today we're heading to Rays Canoe Hideaway. It's on the other side of the dam, in the middle of this residential neighborhood. It's been there for 50 years.
We're getting ready to go canoeing and kayaking. We're launching from Rays Canoe Hideaway. See you on the water. Just nice leisurely kayaking and canoeing down the river. It's a little overcast today for January 2nd, but it is very relaxing. Beautiful.
Found an alligator. That is a big one. Having trouble holding the GoPro and paddling at the same time. God dang, he's big. It's going in the water. There he goes. Not a lot of freeboard on these canoes. Hope he's not hungry. Paddle on the other side, Debbie. What? It'll take us right into the alligator. There he goes. His tail's almost in the water. He's down. Is he still there? What kind of bird is that? I don't know what it is. Looks like a... I don't think you can see him. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna fly. There he goes. He's got a fish. Probably can't see it. There he goes.
This is still alive. He's still fighting that bird. Is there a golf course on it?
I bet it's another rope swing. It's way up in the tree. And we're back at Rays. It's a nice little canoe ride. About 3 hours total. We just went up to that other park. Was a Rye Wilderness and came back. Uh-oh. Coming in hot. Ooh, that wasn't so bad. We made it back. Look at that charcoal grill. Maybe with like a little offset. Not quite on the center. I don't think Ray buys a lot of new equipment. Turtle family time.
He's going in for more.
That was a quickie.
Hold still, woman. Look at him bouncing his head.
Yep. That's what I want. Yep.
He's going for more.
There we go. Family time. Dude, after all that, you couldn't even buy her a drink? I guess we'll just have to celebrate for you. We hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. This is an awesome park. Lake Manatee was awesome, so we'll see you on our next adventure. See ya!
See ya!